Hello, today we will guide you through how to add admin to Facebook page in Meta Business Suite. If you need to give someone admin access to your Facebook page through Meta Business Suite, this process is fairly quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening Meta Business Suite to sending the invitation and completing the access setup. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account and that you're viewing the right business and page before making any changes. This is especially important if you manage more than one page or business account, since permissions are tied to the specific business you're currently in. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look down to the bottom left side of the screen and click Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage business users, permissions, and other account access options. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Meta occasionally updates the layout, but Settings is still the place where access management happens. After that, go to the top right and click Invite People. This opens the invitation flow so you can add a new person to help manage your business assets. At this stage, you're telling Meta Business Suite that you want to bring another user into your business account. Next, enter the person's email address in the invitation field. Be sure to use the correct email address for the person you want to add, since the invitation will be sent there. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving on, because even a small typo can prevent the person from receiving the invite. When the email has been entered, click Next to continue and give access. This moves you into the permission setup, where you can choose the type of access the person should receive. Since you're adding an admin, make sure you carefully review the access options shown on screen so the right level of control is granted. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Meta Business Suite may ask you to confirm permissions, select specific assets like your Facebook page, or review the invitation before sending it. Read each screen carefully so the new admin gets the exact access they need and no more than intended. Once everything is confirmed, the invitation will be sent, and the person will usually need to accept it before admin access becomes active. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of adding an admin to your Facebook page in Meta Business Suite.